Don't look too closely. I did get mascara all over my eyelid. We're moving on from that. Hi everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're having a absolutely wonderful day. Today I am here to unbox, my address, to unbox my Ipsy bag. I just got the regular Ipsy bag this month. I didn't get any add-ons, just the bag. If you're unacquainted with Ipsy, it is a monthly beauty subscription service. They send you both samples and sometimes full-size products of different beauty products. My goodness, I'm explaining it in the possible worst way. But it's $12 per month, and you do fill a profile of your preferences and your skin type and skin tone and all those things. And so they do try to send you things that hopefully you will like. So let's pull out, feels like I have some stuff on the outside of the bag. Okay, got everything out. So this is the bag this month. Cute. On the outside, yes, there was some stuff. So it looks like I have some sheet masks, which I haven't been purchasing sheet masks for myself lately. I have been enjoying them less lately. I don't know what the deal is. I used to be like all about the sheet masks, but I still like them. But since I haven't been purchasing them for myself lately, I'm happy to get some in my Ipsy. So it looks like I have two of them. I have from the cream shop the fusion sheet mask of peaches and cream, and then the blueberry banana, which I feel like I have tried a variation of these before. The cream shop has decent masks, so I'm happy to get those. And then they sent me a brush. I like it when Ipsy sends me brushes. Most of the time they're good quality, and this one is very recognizable with its cute little glittery handle and little sequins to be from SL Miss Glam. Although I've never gotten a face brush, I don't think, from her. So this is the Angled Blush P30 brush. So I usually use a slightly bigger brush for blush, but this one will be interesting to try out today. Okay, let's see what I have in the actual bag. So first I'm gonna pull out the card. It looks like the theme for March is Stronger Together. And then on the inside, there's information about all the stuff that comes in your bag. And then okay, first I'm pulling out a squeezy tube. Okay, this is from Ciate London. This is looks like a lip oil. This is the Mango and Lime Burst Nourishing Lip Oil. I'm a little scared with my sensitive lips. Sometimes things that have like high concentrations of essential oils and stuff can make my lips break out in sores. So I'll have to be careful with this, but I'm still interested to try it. It sounds wonderful. What else? Let's see. Ooh. Bubble wrap usually means a makeup product. So this is from Element Beauty, or maybe it's Element. If you guys know, tell me please. This is the Lilac Skies and Breeze eyeshadow duo. Oh my, that's pretty. So we have a lilac shade and like a pinky shade, but they're both shimmers. That's different for an eyeshadow duo, right? To have two kind of light shimmers like that. I'm interested to try. Next, I have another bubble wrapped item, which usually makes me excited because again, it usually means makeup. This looks like similar packaging, but it's a different brand. So this is from Shayna B, or is it Shina? It's another one, I don't know. Shayna B Miami with little cute little flamingos on it. And this is a blush in the shade Bellini. Oh look, it's got a little stamped flamingos on it. Look how cute that is. I'm gonna try it and swatch this without ruining the flamingo. A little stamp. Oh, it feels very, very soft. It looks like a matte peach blush. And let's quick swatch those eyeshadows. I am going to be trying them on for you, hence the little cat ears today. So first, ooh, this lilac shade. They feel powdery, but that doesn't necessarily mean a bad thing. They are both very sparkly. They seem more like toppers almost to me, but this purple one in particular is super, super sparkly. Fun. All right, looks like I have eyeshadow, a blush, and this lip oil to try out for you. So I'm gonna quick turn off the camera, put it on the majority of my makeup, and I will be right back to try those on. Okay, I'm back. I put on some foundation and some concealer and some eyebrow gel, and I did tight line my lashes. So we are ready to try out some of these things. So let's start with the blush. I think that's what I'm maybe most excited about. Once again, it is a matte peachy blush, and I'm gonna try using this SL Miss Glam Angled Blush Brush with this blush. All right, so I'm just going to gently dab in. I would like to check and see exactly how much blush I've got on the brush. So, okay. I've been so into cream blush lately. I have not been wearing a whole lot of powder blush. So I actually powdered my face today, which I normally don't do, but just to make sure that the blush had a chance to really do its thing. I don't know if you guys can see. I didn't apply very much. Let's get some more. It is a very soft peach color. Well, I don't know, I would call it a peachy nude, I think. It is pretty. I'm not currently being blown away, but maybe it's just because I haven't been into more matte blush lately. Although looking at it, it might not be completely matte. It might have a little bit of luminosity to it. And to be honest, I don't mind a buildable blush. I prefer a buildable blush over a extremely pigmented, difficult to work with blush. Plus, when a blush is buildable, you get to have the fun of applying blush. I love the process of applying blush. I don't know why. Something about it. When you get to apply many layers of it, it just means you get to apply a blush longer, which is a happy thing. I am bringing it up onto my temples since I'm not wearing any bronzer, and this is a great shade that could double as almost like a bronzer shade, just to add some color to the cheeks. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly how I feel, other than the fact that it is pretty, and I like it. It's just not blowing me away at the moment. But I have been really into cream blush lately, but it is a pretty blush. All right, moving on from the blush, let's talk about this little eyeshadow duo. So I am still a little stumped as to how this is a duo and how they're supposed to work together, but let's just go for it. I'll see what I can do here. So I think I'm actually gonna lay down some glitter primer, not just plain eye primer, since these do seem to be glittery, sort of, and kind of powdery. I'm gonna use the the Ulta Beauty glitter primer. You need the tiniest bit of this. I always end up using way too much. And I think since, especially this purple is pretty powdery, I'm gonna use my finger to apply the purple, I think. Oh, let's see, how should I use both of these colors together? I'm gonna try and meld them together on the lid. So I'll start with the pink, more on like the inner portion of the lid. Yeah, they have like a very soft twinkly effect. And then I'm gonna take the purple, which seems to be more twinkly, and put it on the outer part. Okay, this is very pretty, but it's definitely not gonna be everyone's cup of tea. Oh no, I'm getting sparkles everywhere. I'm just trying not to make a mess, and I'm just making the mess worse. But can you see the very, very, very tiny micro sparkle? Like, there isn't a ton of color pigment, but the sparkles are the type that when you just change the movement of your head, someone probably across the room could be like, whoa, she's got sparkle on her eyes. I think I personally would use this more as a topper than just, although it is pretty maybe as a single shadow look, although I'm still confused as to why it's in a duo. Interesting, that peachy one just looks purple on my eyelid. It doesn't really look pinky like it looks in the pan. Honestly, I don't know about this brand. Is it K-Beauty inspired? It says it's made in Taiwan. That makes me wonder, because this like twinkly, very kind of low pigment effect reminds me very much of like a K-Beauty eyeshadow. I haven't tried a lot of them, I've just seen them. I'm just gonna take a small little fluffy brush and try and blend it just a tiny bit. This will probably give me tons of fallout, but okay, I'm gonna take the peachier, pinkier one and run that in the inner corner and on the lower lash line. Whoa, I am making such a mess, you guys. There's so much sparkle. I don't know, I feel like I would like these shadows more in combination with other shadows. I mean, it is very pretty, don't get me wrong. And I feel like, I don't know if you guys can see the proper effect that I'm seeing here in my mirror. In my mirror, I see a lot more pigment than I see actually on the camera. But let's apply some mascara. There, I just put it on my top lashes, and I think mascara makes all the difference with this kind of just soft, twinkly look that I have going on. Don't look too closely. I did get mascara all over my eyelid. We're moving on from that. Let's try out this lip oil. So it looks like it's not tint or anything, just a clear lip oil. It smells really good. I mean, what does it say it is? Mango and lime burst? Yeah, that's exactly what it smells like. Ooh. I get like instant burst. Oh my goodness, I can taste it too, of the scent that's in this lip oil. This might be the most scented lip product I own because usually I don't taste the product when I put it on either. This one's definitely tasting it now. As per usual with a lip oil, it's very slippy, feels very oily. It has a very pretty high shine effect. And so far I'm not feeling any sort of weird tingling. So that's good. I really feel like I need more blush. Like I'm feeling pretty pale. Okay, despite the fact that I used glitter glue and I tried to be careful applying those twinkly lid shades, I still have glitter all over my under eyes. So definitely next time I'm gonna avoid doing any blending and just pat in with my fingers. It is the very pretty kind of glitter though. Like it's not big and chunky, it's twinkly. Okay, let's look at the prices of some of these items. So this Shayna B Miami blush, if you bought the full size, it would be $29. The SL Miss Glam P30 Lilac Angled Blusher Brush is a $19.50 blush. Whoa, I keep doing that brush. The Sayate London, this is a deluxe sample. If you were going to buy the full size, this would be $16. The Element Beauty Eyeshadow Duo, this is a deluxe sample. The full size is $42. And the Cream Shop sheet masks are $3 per mask. Holy cow, the full-size version of this blush is 15.5 grams. That's a really big blush. Holy moly. This is a 3-gram blush, plenty big for me. Whoa, it also says that the full size of this Element Beauty is 15 grams. That's really, really, really big. Maybe that applies to a whole palette and not just a duo, because that seems incredibly excessive. I'm finding myself still confused by these. They're so twinkly and so pretty. Yeah, I'll have to experiment with them and see what I think. In any case, they did send me things that I was interested to try, so I think it was a decent bag. If you get Ipsy, let me know down below. What was your experience this month? Just remember to take my hair out of the cat ears. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Thanks again for hanging out with me. I'll see you soon in my next video.